Now I'm real excited. I've never done this. Am I supposed to curl towards my face or away? Does it matter? Oh, that's not right. This is my updated routine now. And it was so easy. I did not know how easy it was, y'all. Okay, so we're starting with a bare face, moisturized face, and I put some of the Mario Badescu spray, that rose spray, you know. Yeah, that. The primer I use is the Maybelline New York Master Prime. It makes my pores super small. I have enlarged pores. I think it's genetic, also just probably how I take care of my skin. But this really helps block that out and makes me look way more soft. I can tell the difference between when I use it and when I don't. And you don't have to wear it with makeup. It basically blurs out all these imperfections. After that, I do my eyebrows and I use the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Tint Pen. I'm not sure if I like it yet, just because of the way the bristles are shaped. It's meant to give a more natural look, which is what I was going for. I used to make my eyebrows super dark. When I use this pen, my eyebrows come out super messy, like at first, but after I clean it up, it doesn't matter. So after I fill in the eyebrow shape that I want, then I use the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel, and it's like a very thickish gel. I just put it all over my eyebrow, and this gives it a more natural shape. It stays on, it's waterproof, and it's so easy now to do my eyebrows, thank God. I know they look busted right now, but you have to trust the process, okay? Clean it up with concealer, and I use the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover. This concealer works so well for me, and I use one that's actually really white. It's just how I like my makeup. Y'all will see how it comes out, but it's just personal preference. Next thing I do is foundation, but it's not foundation, it's a tinted moisturizer. And y'all, I love this moisturizer. I guess it is foundation. You'll see, it literally looks like foundation. And I just put little dots. And I rub it in with my hands. I don't know if I'm supposed to use the Beauty Blender. Do you see how it kind of looks like foundation? Oh, we definitely need more than that. My bad, guys, I did not put enough. There we go. So it looks like foundation. I have no idea if it is supposed to be applied with a Beauty Blender, but it feels like a moisturizer. But it looks like foundation. Isn't that crazy? But I used to wear so much foundation, like heavy coverage foundation, and girl, I did not want to do that no more. So I was like, let's see what kind of lightweight product I can use. And I'm obsessed with this one. So if you're looking to replace yours, definitely give this one a shot. Yeah. Do you see the difference? Like, can you believe that? This looks like foundation, but it's not. Oh, it's just so amazing. I love not wearing actual foundation. My skin feels so much better at the end of the night. And there's a lot less makeup on. I would do like 2-3 layers concealer, heavy layer of foundation, y'all. It was bad. It was bad. Next I go in with concealer, and I use the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. I used to put a big triangle of concealer, but I saw on TikTok this chart that's supposed to match your face contour to your face shape. And I found one that works for mine, and I was like, oh my gosh, it actually has a huge difference. I just recently started doing this makeup routine, and this concealer method I literally started doing like 2 days ago, and it already made a difference. So I was like, oh my god, I need to show y'all. It's a TikTok filter. It basically shows you like your face shape first, and then there's another filter that will show you like how to contour your face and highlight and all that. And just blend it out. Can y'all tell the difference already? I feel like you can. I have really big cheeks, so it just gives me higher cheekbones, and it looks so good. Like, it already looks snatched, right? It's coming together. She's coming together. After I blend it in, I put 2 more dots like right on where my crease is, just so it looks a little more white there, and let that sit for a little bit. I got my lashes done before I went to Miami, and they're actually holding up really well. I don't know if you guys can see. Look at them. Shout out to my lash tag. Can y'all tell what it did to my face? Like, do y'all see this? It's snatched now. I haven't even put contour yet. When it comes to makeup, like, okay, period. Like, I love my new makeup routine. The next thing I use is the Laura Mercier Invisible Translucent Powder. And I set my face with that. Everywhere I put concealer. I love this powder so much. It gives such a soft finish. You can already tell I look so soft. Y'all see this? This look is coming together already. I love doing my makeup now because it's not as hard as it used to be. And thank God it doesn't take me as long, because I used to take an hour and a half, 2 hours on my makeup for no reason. After that, we're gonna contour, and I use this little fluffy brush, and I put that on my eyelids, and I do a little contour here, there, here. And I use the CoverGirl True Blend So Flushed High Pigment Bronzer in the shade 420 Warmth. This is so good. It is so good. You guys will see. Use it for everything. Put it on my eyelids. And a little bit goes a long way. They're absolutely right. It's definitely high pigment. It makes it so much easier. Like, boom. Done. Next. Yo, that was so fast. Are you serious? So when I contour, I put it nearly on my cheekbone, across my forehead a little bit. I also put it here and here in little dips when you go like, and it goes like that, just to give it a more like look, you know what I mean? I used to put it here, but the chart said not to do that, so I stopped contouring under my chin, and I think it actually draws in my face more. I have a pretty round face, so it gives me more of like a pooled look. I really like it, so try that if you have a round face. So you're only supposed to put it on your jawline right here, but stop before you get to your chin. That way it like really pulls in your face. You can already see that my face is like more snatched. I have a pretty round face, you guys. Like, this is all makeup, and y'all saw how I started off, so I mean, this is progress. Okay, now my crusty lips. Let me put some Aquaphor on. My lips were getting so dry. Okay, we're gonna, for my nose, I use this angled fluffy brush. I use the same bronzer and I put it under my nose, and I go upwards like this on this little peak on the bridge of your nose as well, and straight down from the eyebrow. After I do my nose contour, I use the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder. This powder, it's a matte and poreless powder. It's translucent. Girl, this and the Laura Mercier is like game changer. So I put this on my nose. It lasts so long and it gives you the most soft finish. Can y'all tell the difference already? Do you see that? Oh my gosh. I love this powder. I feel like this is really my game changer routine now. I do not do my makeup the same as I used to. This feels so much better on my skin. It doesn't feel as like cakey or heavy. It's just so nice to have a routine that actually looks good and doesn't fuck up my skin. Okay, next I use this e.l.f. Don't even bother looking at it. It's down to the pan, okay? But it's so good. I just haven't gotten another one yet. I also have, though, I put the Too Faced Peach blush. This one is so nice. Shimmery, not as pigmented. That's why I use the other one too. But I do use 2 blushes because I love blush. This is a brush I use. It's just another fluffy brush. My camera battery died. Okay, I ended up putting some more blush on. Now we're gonna highlight because this looks crazy. A little bit on my nose, on the bridge in the middle, like a super narrow line, as narrow as possible because it draws in the nose. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? The highlight I use is literally something I was gifted. It's like a body powder or body shimmer powder. I use it as highlight because it's super pigmented. I haven't found a good highlight that I like. I also put it on my inner corners. But yeah, so I don't know where it's from. It was gifted to me. But it works so well, so I'm very thankful for it. Then I put it on my cheekbone. Okay, what are we thinking? I don't know why, I just really like to put a lot of blush, so I'm gonna put more on the middle area. I gotta brush my lashes. I put mascara on my bottom lashes. Not everybody does, but I think it suits me better than not putting it. I just feel like it just adds more of like a doll eye look, which suits me better than like, I don't know, maybe it's just personal preference. Let me know which one you think. I just feel like that makes such a difference. I like it. So sometimes I just pop on some gloss, maybe a little bit of color on my lips, and then just leave my look like this. But sometimes I add a tiny wing. And I also put it on my inner corner. I feel like it's super subtle, but it still just brings more attention to your eyes, so that's what I do. This lip liner I've run down like to the fucking bottom, okay? It's a MAC lip liner, but my cat chewed it, so I don't even know which one it is. If I remember correctly, it's Plum. Obviously, you can tell it's been well used. I like to leave a little arch of the M on my Cupid's bow. I think it's super sexy. I know some people go over it, but I think it looks super good. After I put the lip liner, I just put a gloss. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Slicks lip gloss. I actually really like it, and that's it. This would be my finished look, but I'm gonna try this new lip gloss I got. It's from Revlon. It's the Super Lustrous, the gloss, and it's in rose quartz. I wanted to get it because it's sparkly, but I feel like it's a lot of sparkle. Can y'all tell there's a shimmer? I don't know. I like it, I guess. Okay, maybe I do like it, yeah. It's pretty, okay. Okay, now that we're done with makeup, it's time to deal with my hair. I straightened it like 2 days ago, so we're gonna have to put some dry shampoo in there. Okay, we've transitioned into the bathroom. I'm sorry if there's like an echo or something, but I bought a curling iron. I've never owned one in my life. I've never used one, so I'm gonna do it for the first time. I also just don't want to blow dry it though, so we're gonna see how a curling one does. I'm hoping it's gonna come out how I want, obviously, but we'll see because I've never done this before. Let's turn this on. I already put dry shampoo in my hair so it doesn't look as greasy no more. So they said just grab a piece from the top and then wrap it. Wait. Wait. Wrap it. Okay, yeah, see, so like, I'm scared. 4, 5, 6, 7. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all. Now I'm really excited. I've never done this. Am I supposed to curl towards my face or away? Does it matter? I don't think it matters. Oh. Yeah, I'm so impressed. I've never had one of these. Oh my god. I usually do my hair, but it doesn't come out this curled. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna be curling my hair all the time now. Like, I'm so impressed. I'm not entirely sure how to do the sections. Oh. You know what I just now realized? It says start from the scalp. This is a blonde moment, but it said start from the scalp, not like curling from the scalp. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm supposed to be curling from the bottom. Well, let's do that. Yeah, that makes so much more sense. I'm so glad I got this curling iron, y'all. I have never been able to do my hair so quickly. I don't know why I never got one before. My blow dryer could never, and this is like the curls that I would want, so I don't know why I never got one. Girl. Okay, I think I'm done now. I like it. I've never had curls like this besides maybe prom, and my mom did it. I never did my hair like this. So this is 22-year-old Jalissa's new makeup routine. and hair routine. I usually wear my hair curly, but I actually really like these curls. It just looks so cute. And I'm gonna put in my contacts right now, so I'll be right back. Put in my contacts. I don't know if you guys can tell in this light, but this is my updated makeup routine. I usually don't wear my contacts, but I was like, let's just go for a whole new look today. I like it. I like her. She's cute. And I've never curled my hair, so it's just cool like seeing it now. Like, okay. But that was it. Thank you for watching my little get ready with me. This is my updated routine now. I'm definitely going to be curling my hair like this more often. It's just so cute and it was so easy. I did not know how easy it was, y'all. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for future videos because I will be posting regularly now. I am back on YouTube, like whether y'all like it or not. But yeah, thank you so much for watching my little get ready with me. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.